Hello, welcome back to Talk to Me in Tagalog. In this lesson, you will learn some useful Tagalog phrases about weather and temperature. Let us first study some expressions that you may use during the summer season. The first word on the chart is init. Init, meaning heat, hotness, or the state of being hot. Next is the adjective mainit. Mainit, meaning hot. Example, mainit ang panahon. Mainit ang panahon. Panahon means weather. So mainit ang panahon is the weather is hot. You may replace ang panahon with the phrase sa labas. Sa labas, which means outside. Mainit sa labas. It's hot outside. You may also replace it with a certain place like Australia. Mainit sa Australia. Mainit sa Australia. It's hot in Australia. To say that something that you touched is hot or the place where you're at is hot, you may use the expression ang init. Ang init, meaning it's hot. To express your frustration about the heat, you may say ang init naman. Ang init naman. Adding the word naman somehow implies that you're a bit unhappy or complaining about the hot weather. Next we have sobrang init. Sobrang init. Sobra means very much or extremely. So sobrang init means it's extremely hot. If you want to warn someone who is about to eat or drink something hot, you should say ingat. Ingat, which means be careful, or dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan, meaning slowly. You may also add baka mapaso ka. Baka mapaso ka. Baka means may or might. Mapaso is to get burned and ka is you. Baka mapaso ka. You might get burned. Next we have hihipan mo muna para lumamig. Hihipan mo muna para lumamig. Hihipan is to blow, mo is you, muna means first, para is for, and lumamig is to get cold. Hihipan mo muna para lumamig. Blow on it first to cool it down. So if your friend is in a hurry to eat, you should say, ingat, baka mapaso ka. Hihipan mo muna para lumamig. Be careful, you might get burned. Blow on it first to cool it down. Our next phrase is, naiinitan ako. Naiinitan ako. I feel hot. This is commonly used when one's body temperature goes up due to poor ventilation, hot weather, or when wearing thick clothing when it's no longer cold. You may replace ako with another pronoun like siya if you want to say that he or she feels hot. Next we have, iinit kaya mamaya? Iinit kaya mamaya? Iinit means will be sunny or will be hot. Kaya is a word used to express that you're not certain about something. And mamaya means later. Iinit kaya mamaya? Is it going to be sunny? Or is it going to be hot later? You may replace mamaya with another adverb like bukas, which means tomorrow. Iinit kaya bukas? Meaning, is it going to be sunny tomorrow? If you want to find out if it's hot in another place, you should say, mainit ba dyan? Mainit ba dyan? Dyan means there. Mainit ba dyan? Is it hot there? And the answer could be, hindi mainit. Hindi mainit. Hindi means not. So hindi mainit means it's not hot. During the summer months, we want to eat or drink something cold. Here's how you say it. Gusto kong uminom ng malamig. Gusto kong uminom ng malamig. Gusto means like or want. Ko is I. Uminom is to drink. And ng malamig means something cold. Gusto kong uminom ng malamig. I want to drink something cold. You may replace the word uminom with kumain, which means to eat. Gusto kong kumain ng malamig. I want to eat something cold. If you wanna be specific with what you wanna have, you may say, ang sarap kumain ng blank. For example, halo-halo. Ang sarap kumain ng halo-halo. The phrase ang sarap is delicious or tasty, but in this sentence, it means it's nice to have or do something. Ang sarap kumain ng halo-halo. It's nice to eat halo-halo. Halo-halo is a popular Filipino dessert that is cold and sweet. So be sure to taste it if you're in the Philippines. Next, we have, ang sarap mag-swimming. Ang sarap mag-swimming. Mag-swimming is to go swimming. So, ang sarap mag-swimming means it's nice to go swimming. You may replace mag-swimming with maligo sa dagat. Ang sarap maligo sa dagat. Ang sarap maligo sa dagat. Maligo means to take a bath. Dagat is a beach or the sea. Ang sarap maligo sa dagat. It's nice to go to the beach. Our next phrase is, buksan natin ang ventilador. Buksan natin ang ventilador. Buksan is to open or to turn on. Natin is us. Ventilador means electric fan. Buksan natin ang ventilador. Let's turn on the electric fan. You may replace ventilador with aircon to mean air conditioning unit. Buksan natin ang aircon. Let us turn on the aircon. But if the electric fan or air conditioning unit is already on and you still feel hot and you want to turn the temperature down, you should say, lakasan mo ang ventilador. Lakasan mo ang ventilador. Or, lakasan mo ang aircon. Lakasan mo ang aircon. The word lakasan means to turn up. So, lakasan mo ang ventilador means adjust the electric fan's regulator and make the blade spin faster. And if it's the aircon, it means that you should adjust the thermostat to make the room cooler. Here are more expressions when it's hot. May pamaypay ka ba? May pamaypay ka ba? May means have or there is, and pamaypay is a handheld fan. May pamaypay ka ba? Do you have a fan? Then we have papaypayan kita. Papaypayan kita, meaning I will fan you. And paypayan mo ako. Paypayan mo ako. Fan me. Next is pinapawisan ako. Pinapawisan ako, meaning I am sweaty. You may replace ako with siya, which means he or she. Pinapawisan siya, he or she is sweaty. Or with a person's name. For example, si Adam. Pinapawisan si Adam. Adam is sweaty. Magpunas ka ng pawis. Magpunas ka ng pawis. Magpunas is to wipe off. Ka is you and pawis is sweat. Magpunas ka ng pawis. Wipe off your sweat. You may also say, punasan mo yang pawis mo. Punasan mo yang pawis mo, which also means wipe off your sweat. Matindi ang sikat ng araw. Matindi ang sikat ng araw. Matindi means intense. Sikat ng araw is the rays of the sun. Matindi ang sikat ng araw. The sun's rays are intense. Now we will study some expressions about the cold weather and temperature. Our first word is lamig. Lamig. Lamig is the opposite of init, which means coldness. Next is the adjective malamig. Malamig, meaning cold. Malamig ang panahon. Malamig ang panahon, meaning the weather is cold. Ang lamig. Ang lamig, meaning it's cold. Ang lamig naman. Ang lamig naman. This implies that you're a bit uncomfortable with the coldness. Ang lamig naman, it's so cold. Sobrang lamig. Sobrang lamig, meaning it's extremely cold. Mag-jacket ka para hindi ka lamigin. Mag-jacket ka para hindi ka lamigin. Mag-jacket is to put on a jacket. Para means so that. Hindi is will not. And lamigin is to feel cold. Mag-jacket ka para hindi ka lamigin. Put on a jacket so you won't feel cold. Next is, nilalamig ako. Nilalamig ako. You may also say, giniginaw ako. Giniginaw ako, which means I feel cold. The phrase giniginaw ako is more commonly used than nilalamig ako. If you wanna ask if someone feels cold, you should say, nilalamig ka ba? Nilalamig ka ba? Or, giniginaw ka ba? Giniginaw ka ba? Meaning, do you feel cold? Then we have, malamig ba dyan? Malamig ba dyan? Is it cold there? Hindi malamig. Hindi malamig. It's not cold. Katamtaman lang. Katamtaman lang. Katamtaman means moderate and lang means only. Katamtaman lang. It's moderately cold. Next is, hinaan mo ang electric fan or hinaan mo ang aircon. The word hinaan is the opposite of lakasan, which means to turn down or to make weaker. So, hinaan mo ang electric fan or hinaan mo ang aircon means to adjust them to turn the temperature up. But if you want to turn them off, you should say, patayin mo ang electric fan or patayin mo ang aircon. Turn off the electric fan or aircon. Here are other useful expressions about weather. Maulap pa. Maulap pa. Or makulimlim. Makulimlim. Maulap means cloudy, and the word is just a filler. It's like the English or So maulap it means it's cloudy. And the word makulimlim means overcast. Next is mukhang uulan. Mukhang uulan. Mukhang means it seems, and uulan is will rain. Mukhang uulan. It seems like it's going to rain. Magdala ka ng payong. Magdala ka ng payong. Magdala is to carry or bring something with you, and payong is umbrella. Magdala ka ng payong. Bring an umbrella. You may replace payong with kapote, which means raincoat. Magdala ka ng kapote. Magdala ka ng kapote. Bring a raincoat. Then we have, malakas ba ang ulan? Malakas ba ang ulan? Malakas means strong, but in this case, it means heavy. Malakas ba ang ulan? Is the rain heavy? Umuulan ba dyan? Umuulan ba dyan? Umuulan is raining and dyan means there. Umuulan ba dyan? Is it raining there? If you want to ask if it's flooded, you should say, baha ba? Baha ba? Baha means flood, so baha ba means is it flooded? Maputik. Maputik. Putik means mud. Maputik is muddy. You may also say, ang putik naman. Ang putik naman, meaning it's muddy. Mahangin. Mahangin, meaning it's windy. You may also say, ang lakas ng hangin. Ang lakas ng hangin. Lakas means strong and hangin is wind. Ang lakas ng hangin. The wind is strong. Maalikabok. Maalikabok. Or, ang alikabok. Ang alikabok, meaning it's dusty. Kumukulog tsaka kumikidlat. Kumukulog tsaka kumikidlat. Kulog is thunder, and kidlat is lightning. Kumukulog tsaka kumikidlat. There's thunder and lightning. Bumabagyo. Bumabagyo. Or, may bagyo. May bagyo, meaning there's a typhoon. Nag-i-snow. Nag-i-snow, meaning it's snowing. Madulas ang daan. Madulas ang daan. Madulas means slippery and daan is road. Madulas ang daan. The road is slippery. Our last phrases are, mag-iingat ka kasi umuulan. Mag-iingat ka kasi umuulan. Mag-iingat is to be careful. Ka is you. Kasi is because, and umuulan means raining. Mag-iingat ka kasi umuulan. Be careful because it's raining. You may replace umuulan with bumabagyo. Mag-iingat ka kasi bumabagyo. Be careful because there's a typhoon. That's all for now. Please subscribe to my channel for more Tagalog language lessons. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you again very soon. Maraming salamat po!